Hey guys, let me show you the best car vacuum cleaner that I found that you're gonna like as well. The powerful suction. Is this vacuum cleaner for your car? Absolutely. I mean, it's got everything you need. Don't underestimate this little guy. Notice is that it comes with this cool pouch. I really like this bag. It's a very convenient bag that you can put in your trunk. And this is the manual. You can see here. So in the package, you've got a vacuum cleaner, an extended hose, a carrying bag, a slot pipette, a brush nozzle, and a HEPA filter. This is the model VC003B. The reason I chose this model, there's another model which is wireless, but the reason I chose this one is because it's corded. So the corded version is way better because of the heat. If you leave this in the car, there's always the risk of the battery swelling or exploding in the heat. So that's why I kept this one. You also got an extra HEPA filter like this. Let me show you how it works. So you take it out and it looks like this. It's pretty neat. Check this out. You can plug it here in this 12-volt adapter like this, and you're done. And that means you don't have to ever worry about your battery running out of juice. Plus, it's safer for the device and for your car. That's why I opted for this corded edition, not the wireless version. So the suction is pretty decent at 8,000 Pascals. It's not bad. But what I really also like about this is this little light. So you can see better. You see that? It comes with this nifty brush that you can use to clean it. Check it out. It's pretty long enough. Check this out. Was all the way. Check this out, man. So the cable is long enough to go all the way back to the car, to the trunk. I really like this light. It's very convenient as it shows you spots in the dark. You can see that. And there you have it, guys. This may not be the best vacuum cleaner out there, but it's the perfect vacuum cleaner when it comes to cleaning your car. 8,000 Pascals, corded. You don't have to worry about your battery running out of juice or exploding in a hot car. I don't recommend leaving any device which is lithium-ion battery based in your car. That's why I chose this. The accessories are amazing. The pouch is really cool. I mean, this little guy can get so much accomplished and can keep your car clean. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. And the price is excellent. I'll put the link in the description for you guys if you're interested in buying this. And this extended hose, which can be very useful as well. And check this out, like I showed you. See this little thing right here? If you press it, you could turn it to this. Or if you want the brush, you just bring it back there and it snaps into place. Very useful. Vacuum cleaner. The fact that it has a HEPA filter, of course, an LED light, I like that. It's really good. This can be very useful for dark areas. Can keep your interior very clean. And I haven't even showed you the pipette. I had it somewhere right here, but I guess I lost it. Now that I've finished cleaning it, I can put it back right there. And There you go.